Hello students, welcome to PYQS. So in this video we're going to cover few case study questions of quadratic equations chapter of class 10 NCERT textbook standard, and we're also going to cover few previous year questions of CBSE class 10 board exam. Okay, so let's start with the video. So we have various types of case study questions. I'm going to cover 5 types of case study questions in this video. The first one is boat and stream. So the name itself is saying that we have a boat and we have a stream, which is nothing but water stream. So we need to understand we had two things with respect to boat and stream questions. First one is what is downstream and what is upstream. Okay, so you can see here there is a boat which is going in the direction of stream. If it is going in the direction of stream, it is called downstream, and here what will happen is the speed will increase. So here for effective speed, if you want to talk, it should be speed of boat plus speed of stream. Okay, let's consider for upstream. What is upstream means the boat is going in against the direction of water, because as you know every river flows from origin point to the sea, so it is only in one direction, it will not go backward. So definitely if you want to go to the opposite direction of water, then we call it as upstream. So downstream means in the direction of water, upstream means in the opposite direction of water. So what is happening here? These two speeds are in opposite to each other, hence the resultant speed, that is effective speed, will be speed of boat minus speed of stream. Okay, this you have to remember. So yesterday I have a live session in the around evening time, so there I have covered this topic, so just I will not write here, I will just go through as a glance. So upstream means, as I mentioned, SB minus SS. Downstream, SB plus SS, that is speed of boat plus speed of stream. And that what is this formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed, distance and time, all three are scalar quantities, so it will only be always positive, there will not be any direction. So and this cannot be negative. So suppose if in the end part, if you are getting a negative values of speed, distance of time, we have to consider only the positive part, we should not consider the negative part. Like for suppose we got plus 3 and minus 6 as a values, then we have to consider only plus 3, we should not consider minus 6 as a value. Okay. Then we discuss about a question where a motor boat speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water. So simply they provided SB value here and takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream. So the distance is 24, and upstream it is taking more time because the speed is low, whereas in downstream the speed will be high. So what they have mentioned here, time taken in upstream is 1 more than the time taken at downstream. The speed is equal to distance by time. Where is it? Okay, I'll write it here. Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Just cross multiplying S and T. So time of upstream is equal to distance by speed of upstream. Time of downstream is equal to distance by speed of downstream. So speed of upstream means boat minus stream, downstream boat plus stream. So the next step will be d by speed of upstream is equal to d by speed of downstream plus 1. So distance we know 24 by speed of boat minus speed of stream is equal to 24 by speed of boat plus speed of stream plus 1. So just substituting the value, speed of boat we already provided 18, speed of stream we don't know, so we are considering it as x. So solving this quadratic equation using cross multiplication and all, finally we got the x value, which is speed of stream. Okay, finally in the x values we got two values, one is positive 6 and the negative value we got is just minus 54. As I mentioned in the starting, speed, time and distance, all three are scalar quantities, so you have to consider only positive value, which is plus 6 here. So the speed of stream is plus 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, so I'm not going in detail here, but I will explain the other case studies, there you will understand how to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, next second case study type is with respect to numbers. So what is numbers? So most of the questions it will be 2-digit number only. Most of the cases 2-digit, but some cases there can be said we have two numbers and all. So there you have to consider another case. Let's consider here 2-digit number scenario. So for example, if I say 23 is a 2-digit number, so how can I write 23? It should be 20 plus 3. For example, in the question they can say that we are reversing the digits. If you are reversing the digits, what is happening here? It becomes 32. That is 30 plus 2. Okay, first suppose if I am assuming that the number that is 2-digit number is equal to xy. Xy means x is tens place and y is ones place, that is units place. This can write it as 10x plus y. If I say reverse number, So what is reverse number? It becomes yx, that is 10y plus x. So this you have to remember. Original number is 10x plus y. Reverse number is 10y plus x if we are considering x as tens place and y as units place. Okay, we'll see anyway one question, then you will clearly understand. So this question we am taking the reference from the previous year paper, that is 2024 paper. So in the 2024 paper we have one question like this. It is of 3 marks, you can clearly see here. So that is short answer question. So let's see the answer. In a 2-digit number, yes, we have the 2-digit number here. The digit at units place is, okay, I always assume unit is x, sorry, tens is x, units is y. Let number is equal, number xy is the 2-digit number. So what they want to say, the digit at the units place is 5 less than the digit at tens place. Units place, what is there? Y. Y is 5 less than digit at tens place. So this is 1. Units place is y. Y is 5 less than the digit at tens place. Correct. Next, what is the second condition? The product of the digits is 36. Product of the digits is simple. X into y is equal to 36. It is just a 3 marks question. Just as we have only 2 equations. I mean 2 easy equations. Mostly it will be little complicated, but here it is very easy. So simply substitute x value x minus 5 into. Substitute y value in 2. So now it becomes x into x minus 5 is equal to 36. What they are asking, mostly they will ask the same answer. They will ask you what is the number. So simply they are asking xy, what is the number. So simply if you found x and y, just write it as xy value, that will be the number. So let's solve this equation. It becomes x square minus 5x is equal to 36. Okay, so let's write in other form. It becomes x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. So let's write the factors of 36. It is 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9. Yes, using 4 into 9 we can get minus 5 here. So it will be x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 36 is equal to 0. So it becomes x, if I take common, becomes x minus 9 plus 4 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So the final last step is x plus 4 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So the x values I got it as minus 4 and 9. But minus 4 cannot be the digit value, so y should be the proper answer. So y, that is tens place, or tens place, not tenth place. Tens place is equal to 9. Let's find the units place. They have one relation. Units place is x minus 5. So units place is equal to x minus 5, which is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So the total number is equal to 94. Okay, you can also cross check what they have mentioned. Units place is 5 less than the digit of tens place. Units place is 4. 4 is equal to 9 minus 5. Correct. The second condition, product should be 36. If you multiply these two numbers, 9 into 4, it is 36. Hence the number is 94. Let's move to the next question. So again, this is also from previous year, that is 2024 question paper. I think this is for 5 marks question. Let's solve it. 2-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 14. Okay, same type. Again, let us assume number as xy, where x is tens place, y is units place. Product of the digits is 14. So the first condition, xy is equal to 14. Next, what is second condition? When 45 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. So what is the original number I told you to remember? Original number is 10x plus y. Okay, this I am adding 45 to it. So plus 45 is equal to, if added to the original number, the digits are reversed. What if the number digits are reversed? I told you to remember what is the reverse condition. Reverse condition 10y plus x. So here it should be 45. 10x plus y plus 45 is equal to reverse number is 10y plus x. Okay, so now let's move everything to the left side. It becomes 10x plus y plus 45 minus 10y minus x is equal to 0. So this becomes 9x minus 9y plus 45 is equal to 0. So if you can see here, you can easily divide by 9. So this equation directly it becomes x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is 2. Okay, so now we have x. Okay, let's substitute y. Okay, you can write y or x. I will just substitute x is equal to, from here I can see x is equal to y minus 5. Substitute now this value in first equation. Substitute x from 2 in 1. So what it will now become? Y minus 5 into y is equal to 14. So this will be y square minus 5y minus 14 is equal to 0. So 14 factors 2 into 7. So this is enough, because minus 7 plus 2 will become minus 5. Minus 7y plus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0. If I take y as common, it becomes y minus 7. Quotient of y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this becomes y plus 2 into y minus 7. So we got the y values as minus 2 comma 7. Minus we should not consider, so the only value is 7. So units place is 7. So let's use the second 2 here. X is equal to y minus 5. So if I keep x is equal to y minus 5, which is 7 minus 5, so x value is 2. So the final number, therefore number is equal to x comma y, which is 2, 7. Okay, let's cross check the values. 2 is number, product is equal to 14, 27. 2 into 7 is 14, correct? If 45 is added, so 27 plus 45, 27 plus 45, we got it as 7. Yes, if I add 47 to 27, getting a 72, which is reverse of the number. Hence this answer is also correct. So always I suggest to cross verify your answer, because there can be cases where you can do minute mistake like plus or minus. If you do wrong also, the answer might go wrong. So if you can correct yourself, then it's better to do it, or else you will lose your marks. Okay, always better to verify your answer when solving these type of equations. Okay, we have one more type of numbers question from the previous year question paper, that is 2024 question paper from another set. So let's see the question. We have 3 consecutive integers such that the sum of squares of second and the product of other 2 is 161. They are asking to find the integers. So 3 consecutive integers we can consider. Let 3 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, but for a convenience I also consider x minus 1 as well, but fine, I will consider these 3 only. The sum of squares of second and product of other 2. Okay, sum of square of second number. What is sum of square of second? It is x plus 1 whole square plus product of other 2. Product of other 2 means x into x plus 2 is 161. So we have to find the x value now. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and here it will be x square plus 2x is equal to 161. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 161. So it becomes x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 161 is equal to 0. So this second I will write it here. 2x square plus 4x plus minus 160 is equal to 0. If I divide by 2, I will get x square plus 2x minus 80 is equal to 0. Okay, let's write in the next slide. X square minus 2x plus 2x minus 80. X square plus 2x minus 80 is equal to 0. Factors of 80: 2 into 40, 3 table not 4 into 20, 5 table 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 6 and 5 are 80. Next 6 will not happen, 7 8 tens, yes 8 10 is enough. So x square plus 10x minus 8x minus 80 is equal to 0. X into x plus 10 minus 8 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. So we got the values of x as x is equal to 8 comma minus 10. Okay, so did they mention positive values? Okay, they clearly mentioned only 3 consecutive integers, so it can have positive value or negative value. Okay, because integers belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so here we have to write 2 cases. So either it can, if x is 8, 3 consecutive numbers are 8, 9 and 10. The second case, if x is equal to minus 10 also, the answer should be correct, because 3 consecutive numbers now will be minus 10, minus 9 and minus 8. Okay, you can also cross verify if you want. Square of second plus product of other two. Let's do it. Square of second is 9 square plus product of other two, 9 8 into 9, which is 80. So 81 plus 80 is 161. Yes, first answer is correct. Second condition, again it will be same, because 9 minus 9 whole square is also 9 square. 10 into plus 8 is also 80. So here it is also 161. So both these answers are correct. It can be 8 9 10 or minus 10 minus 9 and minus 8. Okay, next move to the other type. So third type of case study question is vehicle and speed. So it can be car, flight, even bike. They will provide you any vehicle. They will say that the speed is changing from this speed to the another speed, and the time is getting reduced from this time to this time. So how to solve this type of question? So it is almost similar to the one which already covered, that is boat and stream type of question. Okay, let's solve here. Here also the main formula you have to remember is speed is always equal to distance by time. So from this you can also write time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, only using these two equations we are going to solve all these questions. Okay, speed is distance by time, time is distance by speed. So if most of the cases they can say the distance is constant, just the change is changing. So based on the time condition you have to write it and get the solution. Okay, so now let's solve it. In the 2024 I have set few sites and I found that there are two questions. One is they have mentioned flight, and second somewhere I found they have mentioned car as well, but the solution concept everything is same, just the numbers will be different. Okay, let's solve it here. What they are saying is flight, in a flight of 2800 kilometers, so the distance they have provided d is equal to 2800 kilometers. You can see this is a 5 marks question. Okay, an aircraft will slow down due to bad weather. Its average speed is reduced by 100 kilometers per hour. By doing so, time of flight increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration. Okay, so here we have only one case. There is no decreasing or decreasing. I mean, we have only two cases: original time and the other scenario where the speed is reduced. Okay, so let's write in original case. Original case, speed is equal to distance by time. But in the second case, what is happening? The speed is reduced by 100. So now the speed is s minus 100. Distance anyway it will be same, it will not change. But the time will increase now. But how the time is increased by 30 minutes. You can see, you have to notice one more point. The unit here is minutes, but here it is in kilometers and kilometers per hour. So let's convert minutes into, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I am saying 30 minutes here. So it will be 1 by 2 hour. Okay, so it will be, now the time is increased by 30 minutes, so it is t plus 30 minutes, but I am converting into hour, so it is t plus 1 by 2. Okay, we have two equations here, so we need to find one. D is known, which is 2800, So let's solve conditions, and we are asking what they are asking, speed or time. They are asking here find the original duration of flight. So they are asking t value. Okay, so simply s is equal to d by t here, so which is 2800 by t. So I will substitute this value in this equation as s, so then I will get everything in terms of t. 2800 by t minus 100, so this is 1, this is 2. I'm substituting 1 in 2. So 800 t is equal to d is already known, which is 2800 by t plus 1 by 2. So if you notice, we have 0 0 0 0 0 in both the cases. I will cancel to make it little simpler. Okay, now it is 28 by t is equal to minus 1 is equal to 28 by t plus 1 by 2. I'll write it as 0.5 to make it much easier. Okay, now I can write this as 28 minus t by t is equal to 28 by t plus 0.5. Now let's cross multiply. It becomes 28 minus t into t plus 0.5 is equal to 28t. So it becomes 28t minus t square plus 28 into 0.5 is 14 minus 0.5t is equal to 28t. So 28t gets cancelled out. So the final equation is t square plus 0.5t plus 4 minus 14 is equal to 0. T square plus 0.5t minus 14 is equal to 0. So but factors is tough, so let's multiply whole equation into 2. It becomes 2t square plus t minus 28 is equal to 0. Now you can find the factors of AC. AC here is 56. 2 into 28 is 56. Let's write the factors of 56. 2 into 28, 3 will not happen. 4 1 are 4, 14 4 are 56, 5 6 7 7 8 are 56. So this is enough to get the t here. So it becomes 2t square plus 8t minus 70 minus 28 is equal to 0. So 2t, if I take it as common, it becomes t plus 4. The trick is I will always write this step here first, t plus 4, then I will write the coefficient of t. Here it is minus 7. Okay, so it will be 2t minus 7 into t plus 4 is equal to 0. So the t values I got it as 7 by 2 and minus 4. Time cannot be negative, so the only answer is 7 by 2 hours. So the total duration of flight is equal to t value is equal to 7 by 2 hour. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, the next step, fourth type of case study questions is ratio questions. Okay, this is easy one because ratio is nothing, we have numerator and denominator. X is numerator, y is denominator. So if they say in the question reverse ratio, the ratio is reversed, then it's simple. Instead of x by y, it becomes y by x. So you can say you numerator is equal to 5 times of denominator, numerator is equal to 5 plus denominator. So based on the condition, you have to use it and get the answer. Let's solve one ratio questions. This also came in one of the set of 2024 paper. Let's solve this. Denominator fraction is okay. Let's, for every ratio questions, first step is, let us assume ratio as x by y, where x is numerator, y is denominator. Now let's set the condition. Denominator of the fraction is 1 more than twice of the numerator. So denominator y is equal to 1 more than twice of numerator. So this is 1. Which is the second condition. Sum of the fraction and its reciprocal. Fraction is x by y. Reciprocal y by x is 2. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how to convert it? 2 into 16 by 21. However, we have to write is 2 into 21 plus 16 by 21. Okay, it is 42 plus 16 by 21. So this becomes 58 by 21. Always remember, if it is a b by c, you have to write it as ac plus b by c. A into c plus b by c. So here it is 21 into 2, which is 42. 42 plus 16 is 58 by 21. Okay, here also it is 5 marks, you can see here. So that's why I'm saying quadratic equation chapter is very important, because at least you will get 5 to 7 marks of questions. Okay, in most of the cases it will be MCQ, definitely 1 or 2 questions might be coming. Very short answers may not be coming, but short answers, long answers and case study, in these 3 sections at least 1 or 2 will be coming. Okay, so let's solve this. It becomes x square plus y square and so on, but I suggest you to write it here itself. It will be easy, because from 1 we know that denominator is 1 more than twice, 1 more than twice, so y is equal to 1 plus 2x. So let's write it here. X by 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x by x is equal to 58 by 21. So here I'll write from 1. Okay, so let's take the LCM and cross multiplication. Now this becomes 1 plus x into x, and in numerator it is x into x plus 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2x. And right side what we have, 58 by 21. So this becomes x square plus, it is a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is 4x by x plus 2x square is equal to 58 by 21. So if I add it here, it becomes 5x square plus 4x plus 1 by x plus 2x square is equal to 58 by 21. I'll write it here one more step. Now cross multiplying, this becomes 5 into 21 is 105 x square plus 84x plus 21 is equal to 58x plus 58 into 2, it was a 16, 1, 2 4 is 10, 1. Okay, 116 x square. Okay, so let's move everything to the one side. 105 minus 116 is 11, minus 11 x square. 84 minus 58, 14, 6, 7, 26, minus 26x plus 21 is equal to 0. So the final equation is 11x square plus 26x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, let me just cross check with each step everything is proper or not, because small mistake also will make our question as wrong. This becomes plus 26. See here, it is 84 minus 58, so this is plus, so this will be minus here. So make sure doing proper while doing subtraction and addition, because as I mentioned, even a small change will be tough to solve the question. Okay, so let's use the formula, quadratic equation formula, to get the answer. 11x square minus 26x minus 21. 11x square minus 26x minus 21 is equal to 0. That's the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we have to substitute minus b, which is minus of minus 26 plus or minus root of b square is 26 square minus 4 into a value is 11, c value is minus 21 by 2 into 11, which is 22. So this becomes 26 plus or minus root of 26 square okay. 676 minus 44 into 21, 1 4 0 4, 1 4 0 4, 2 4 0 2 4 0 8 becomes 4, 8 plus 4 12, 924 plus 924 by 22. If you add these two, 676 924 becomes 1, 7 plus 1 8 9 10 1600. Okay, so it is 26 plus or minus root of 1600 by 22. 1600 is square root is 40. So the x1, x2 values are 26 plus 40 by 2, 26 minus 40 by 2. 26 plus 40 by 2, comma 26 minus 40 by 2. So this is 66 by 2, comma minus 14 by 2. So 66 by 2 is 33, whereas this is minus 7. So we got that values as 33 and minus 7. What is the denominator? Sorry, denominator is 22. So this will be 7 minus 7 by 11, and this will be 66 by 22 is 3. You can see here 26 plus 40 by 22, not 2. Okay, so hence speed of what is x here? X is the t here, so the time is, they're asking the original duration. Yes, the time original. Okay, this is which question? Sorry, we are asking about this one. So we got the x value. What x value is 3. We need to get the y value. So let's write both the cases. If x is equal to 3, we'll solve it here. The second one. Okay, in the numerator it cannot be fraction, so we have to consider only one case where x should be 3. Okay, so if x is 3, what is the y condition we got? X is 3, y should be 1 plus 2x. So y is equal to 1 plus 2 into x, which is 1 plus 2 into 3, which is 1 plus 6, which is 7. So the fraction is equal to x by y, which is 3 by 7 is the final answer. Okay. You can also verify it if you want. What is the condition they have mentioned? Y is 1 what was the numerator, we already solved it. Using that we got 7 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 3, which is satisfying. The other one also will satisfy. Let's cross check. The other one is x by y plus y by x is equal to 58 by 21. Okay, so it is 3 by 7 plus 7 by 3, LCM is 21. 3 into 3 is 9, 7 7 is 49, so it becomes 58 by 21. Hence our answers are correct. So always say that to verify, verification will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes, but it's better to verify it. Okay, let's move to the last type for today. which is the age scenario. Okay, age scenario is also easy when compared similar to the fraction question, because age, it can be three scenarios. They will say that present age of father and son, or mother and daughter of, or the mother and son. So consider the father age as suppose x, son age as y. If they say past, like 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago means, for example, I'm saying here 5 years ago, then it will be x minus 5, y minus 5. Same way they can also say future, like 5 years ahead, like 5 years after. Okay, let's change the number, let's 3 years after. If they say 3 years after, the ages now becomes x plus 3, y plus 3. So based on these conditions, they can present, past, present, future, past, future, they can give you either any two of these three conditions. They will relate it, and based on it you need to find the present age, future age, or past age. Okay, this is very important. The present you have to consider x and y, then what will happen in the past, it becomes minus values, in future becomes plus values. Let's solve one question. This is also from 2024, one of the set paper. The question will see, the age of man is twice the age of sun. Okay, the first step what I have told, let us assume father's age is x years, son's age is y years. Okay, now let's set the condition. Age of man is twice the age of son. Age of man is what you have mentioned, man is the father here, so x is equal to 2y. This is the first condition. They haven't mentioned past, future, something, so we have considered directly as a present condition. So, okay, age of man is twice the age of son. 8 years hence, hence means after. Okay, 8 years hence, the age of man will be 4 years more than the 3 times the age of sun. So first of all, after 4 years, I mean hence is after. Okay, after 4 years, what I have told you, if I consider after future tense, we have to plus the values. Okay, so future values now after, okay, I will write it here, after 4 years, 8 years. After 8 years, what happened to the ages? The ages of father become x plus 4, son's age become y plus 4. Now write the condition. What is the condition? Age of man is 4 years more than the 3 times the age of son. Age of man is x plus 4. X plus 4 is 3 times more, 4 years more than the, okay, it is 8 years hence, not x plus 4, it should be x plus 8 here. Okay, 8 years hence, x plus 8 is 4 years more than the 3 times of age of sun. Okay, this is 2. Okay, so this belongs to not quadratic equations, it belongs to pair of linear equations chapter, where you have to just replace x as 2y here to solve this question. Okay, so I'm not solving this because this belongs to pair of linear equations chapter. Okay, if you want in quadratic equation, there should be like x into y is something, the product of age of father and son, that xy is equal to something. In that scenario it belongs to quadratic equation, but it is just x is equal to 2y and x plus 8 is equal to 4 plus 8y. So simply x is equal to 2y here, if you substitute 2y plus 8 is equal to 4 plus 3y, you will get the y value, substitute here, you will get the x value. Okay, so this does not belong to quadratic equations chapter, so I'm not solving here, but there can be scenarios where they will simply mention product of these two ages is equal to 60 or product of these two ages is 70. In that case it belongs to quadratic equations chapter. Okay, so I'm stopping here. So if you have any doubts, kindly mention that doubt in the comment section, and also if you want to solve any solution of any paper, I mean any question, you can simply paste that number, or else if possible keep in this way, like 31/1/1 set paper, and I want this number, or suppose 5th question, kindly mention in this way in the comment section, so that definitely I will check the comment section and I'll solve that question and keep it as a separate video. Right? Thanks for watching. Hope it added some info. Please subscribe and do enable your notification for further videos.